Welcome! If you've ever wanted to share your home location with friends on Facebook using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to update your privacy settings and make your home location visible to your friends, all with the latest Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're on the main page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, it's time to access your account details. Find and click on the About section. This is where all your personal information is stored, including your contact info, work, education, and, of course, your home location. Inside the About section, you'll see a menu on the left. Click on Overview. Here, you'll find a summary of your key information, including your home location. Next to your home location, you'll notice a small audience icon. This icon controls who can see this information. Click on the audience icon, and a menu will pop up with several options for privacy settings. From the list, select Friends. This means only your Facebook friends will be able to view your home location. If you want to double-check, you can hover over the icon again to see the updated setting. Once you've chosen Friends, click Done to save your changes. That's it. Your home location is now visible to your friends on Facebook, and you're in complete control of your privacy. If you ever want to change this setting in the future, just repeat these steps and select a different audience. Keeping your information up to date and secure is always a good idea. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.